Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Sony Xperia 1.6. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, navigate to the system at the bottom. Right here we can find gestures, and the first one is Side Sense. When activated, you should get that bar on the right side of your phone, which basically brings your notification bar to the right. You can also access your notification bar like this, but mainly it allows you to change any functions on your phone by just clicking at it. Then next one is Jump to Camera. When activated, press the power button twice to start the camera. It works like this. Here we have our camera. Next one is navigation mode. Here you can choose how to navigate your phone. You can either go for button navigations or gesture navigations. If you decide on gestures, you'll be able to navigate your phone using gestures like that. So if you want to go back, you can swipe to the left. If you want to open your home screen, it goes like this. If you want to access all of the opened apps, it works like this. If you decide on 3 buttons, there will be the same thing but with the buttons on the bottom. Then next one is one-handed mode. Here if we scroll down and activate one-handed mode, you'll be able to access notification bar from middle of your screen, so you don't need to reach all the way up. You can also get the shortcuts because I think it's much better, and as you can see, our notification bar basically went in the middle of our phone. Next one is a power menu and a digital assistant. So by holding a power button, you can either go for the power menu, which allows you to reboot, power off, make emergency, or force restart your phone. Or if you decide on digital assistant, you'll be able to call out your Google Assistant by holding a power button. Then next one is smart backlight control. And when activated, your phone will automatically detect that you have it in your hand, so it won't lock itself on or go on the timeout. Then there's wake up display on key press. Pressing any hardware buttons, shutter, volume buttons will turn on a screen. So we can lock our phone and then, for example, press on volume down and it should wake up our screen, but it doesn't. Works great, as you can see. Or I didn't enable it, so sorry for that. Yeah, it works great. Then the last one is smart call handling, and when enabled, there's a few functions. It allows you to answer calls by bringing your device to your ear, then reject the calls by shaking your phone, or turn off the ringtone by placing the device face down. That means screen to the table, and it should mute the ringtone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.